Where are you? Hello guys, it's Rembie again. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today guys, supposed to be Jaden has to go to school, but since he's having a cough and cold, we decided to just let him stay at school, in the house, because since morning he's been vomiting, and even with me guys right now, I am having a sore throat and so much phlegm already. So I decided to make a home remedy, which is made of black pepper and ginger. So I already put some. So this is my ginger and black pepper guys. Then 1 minute before taking the pan from the fire, we have to put the lemon. I will show it with you later also guys. So my little boy guys, I've been busy at the kitchen and he's there sleeping. He's really not feeling well. I've been busy at the kitchen guys, and look at Jaden. Even if he's not feeling well, we are not really having so much problem with him, except when he's really having trouble in sleeping at night. Then we can sleep properly also. But when times like this, it's just like that. He's not giving any trouble with us. That's why I really decided to just let him stay at home, because otherwise the school will have trouble with him. And by the way guys, maybe you are all wondering why I'm trying my best to talk in English, though I'm not also good or fluent in it. It's because I got some Dutch friends and they subscribe into my channel, so it's really unfair for them if I'll be talking in Tagalog or in my dialect, Ilonggo, which is Ilonggo, and then it's so unfair for them because they don't understand what am I talking about, what's happening into my channel or into my vlogs. So and for sure most Filipinos could understand English. We cannot be that fluent like any other people, but at least I know most Filipinos could understand English. And besides, my English is not it's a really simple terminologies that I'm using. For sure you understand guys, so I hope you also understand why I'm trying so hard to communicate in English. When I'm alone, sometimes I'm really thinking, well, I think I should stick into talking in Tagalog, because most of the time the people that's really watching my videos are Filipinos, are all coming from Philippines. But I got some few friends in here which are Dutch people. They are watching my videos and they subscribe to me, so it's unfair. It's really unfair. So, and also my partner is telling me I should try talking in English, because he's also watching my videos sometimes. So because he's trying to review what's going on into my channel, so he's requesting at least for me to try using English in my vlogs and in all of my uploads. And sometimes I'm using Tagalog when I'm doing reaction videos, which is just for Filipino people, because for sure foreign friends cannot relate. And also I got some friends from India, from Turkey, so they also don't know Tagalog. So most of them are really good in English. So English is the best way, as English is the universal language. So guys, hello guys, it's already dinner time in here. So that's for Seti, guys. So this is our dinner. Spaghetti with sweet style spaghetti, kind of similar to Filipino style, of course. It has meatballs, as you can see. So let's have a dinner, guys. Let's eat. So guys, there's a handsome guy. Are you handsome?
No.
Why are you saying no now? Because somebody,
no, somebody is sleepy.
Okay. So guys, I want to show you guys my chocolate. Here's my chocolates, guys. You want to see what's inside? Yeah. Oh. Now you see how cheap it is. But I never use this at all. It's I got this because it's on sale. See? That's it, guys. It's so cheap. I'm not buying an expensive one makeups. Besides, I'm not wearing them that much. I'm just happy with if I already got lipsticks. Daddy. So this one, I got this from Philippines, from a friend.
Jaden.
It's the name of her daughter, Tiara. This one, I got this from my cousin from Dubai. It's been here with me for so long. My cousin Nene. She's Regina Batan. What else? This one I got in here. Also, this one is just lip gloss. You know, people here, guys, they don't. There's also some people that's wearing some heavy makeups, but the typical Dutch, they are not wearing a heavy lipsticks. Most of the time you can see them, they're just only wearing lip gloss, right, Libby? Most of them are just wearing lip gloss. I got more. Well, wait, guys. So guys, I also got this. I like this so much. It's the lipstick. You can see. So it's really stick. Oh, what's happening with my camera? Oh, it's really blurry. So nice, guys. I also like the color. I don't have any foundations. I don't have that yet. Oh, I think I have. I got one, I think. Then this is a red one. And this is a red lip gloss. I like this also. So nice. So guys, we need to go out. So I have to choose something. On what to wear. This one is just liquid lipstick. It's just like also what is it? Lip gloss. This one is a matte lipstick. It's been with me for so long. No matter how long it is, the lipstick's with me, guys. It will stay like this. Because I'm not always wearing it. It depends on my mood. That's why it's really... This one, my only one. Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So guys, that's all. So guys, we're on our way to the supermarket. And the heat, guys, oh my god, I can't imagine. I never experienced this even before, even last year. Last year, baby, right?
Yeah.
Even last year, we arrived here on May. Yeah, we arrived here May last year, and it's also summer, almost summer. So but we never experienced like this. The last time I never experienced it, even if
No, it's really warm.
we never experienced this. So warm, it's super like it seems like you're in a barbecue.
Yeah. No.
Oh, so hot. Jaden, that's why the three of us right now we're all not feeling well because I think most people here are having trouble for the changes of the weather. So we're only going to the supermarket, guys. We are to get some drinks maybe, and diaper and orange, right?
And bread.
And bread. Jaden, you can see Jaden, guys. It's really hot. I got, guys, guyabano. Guyabano with mango. Ay, mango and guanabana. It's Dutch. And also this guava. Huh? You wanna try that? Okay. It's also rich in vitamin C. Yeah, see?
I mean, got enough for oh, diaper.
Oh yeah. Diaper. Hey boy.
One or two? Two?
I don't know.
What's this?
Hey, not that one. Yeah. So guys, we're eating watermelon. And if you noticed, my voice is getting worse now because what I feel is getting worse also. You should look at here, baby. Yeah. So guys, I think we're going to end our vlog now.
And the day. And sleep.
Yeah. I washed my face because it's really hot, guys. It's really hot. So bye guys. We're going just to finish our watermelon. Then we're going to prepare to go to sleep.
Yes.
So thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our video. And then comment. And the most important, subscribe. Tell them to subscribe. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.
And by the way guys, for today's shout out kay sis Mimi, guys. Thank you so much sis for the support, and thank you so much for watching my videos. And sis Mimi, no matter what happened, just keep on chasing your dreams. Just don't mind the negative vibes, and don't give up, guys. If you are not subscribed to sis Mimi yet, please subscribe to her channel. She's also an amazing person. And also kay sis Christine Molavin. Sis Christine Molavin doesn't have a channel, but she's always supporting me. She's always watching my videos. Sis Christine, thank you so much, and I wish you will keep on supporting me, sis. I really appreciate you, and thank you so much, sis. God bless you and your family. If you want me to shout you out on my next video, guys, just don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below.